So the presentation mode feature can be a great way to integrate your PowerPoint or Keynote presentations directly with the app. But it can also just be a simple way to display your poll results onto a large screen or whatever screen that you're projecting in front of your audience. So you can also use the presentation mode to project these poll results without requiring any sort of additional slides being uploaded. So if I go into my settings page here and I click on view current presentations, I can see a presentation that I've already uploaded here, which was my presentation.pdf. But this time I'm going to create a new presentation without any actual slides in it. I just want to use this as a way to quickly scroll through my polling results in order without having to flip back to the session page, back to the graph, etc. So what I'm going to do is click create a blank presentation, and it creates this new untitled blank presentation for me. So I'm going to go ahead and change the name. I'm going to say polling results. That's what I'm going to call this presentation. So I'm going to save that. So I've got my two presentations here, and you can upload multiple presentations into the app. You're not limited to just one. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go back to my session page, and again I've got a couple of polls already created here, and so I'm going to click on my first one, and we've already got a response to this question, but that's okay. I'm going to click embed in a presentation, and this time I'm going to choose to embed this in my polling results presentation. So you can see that the poll graph is embedded in my presentation, and right now it's the only slide that's even available. So again, I don't need to upload an actual presentation for presentation mode. I can create this solely off of poll results. So I'm going to go ahead and save that, and I'm going to go back to the app and choose to embed my next one. And again, we've already got some responses in here. Embed again in polling results. Looks good. And now again, I'm going to go ahead and this time I'm going to blend my results again and then embed it into my polling results presentation. Hit save, and I'm ready to go. So now when I start my presentation, what it does is brings me directly into my first slide, which in this case is the first poll results. And again, these will update in real time, so you can be collecting responses at this time. If you wanted to have these projected onto the big screen and just have your participants respond to polls and kind of view them one by one, you can do it. Or if you wanted to collect all the responses beforehand and then just kind of flip through the different polling results, you can do that as well. It's totally up to you. But what I wanted to show you was just that you can create this presentation solely of the poll results. So when you flip back and forth between your slides, it will show you each of the results. And again, this is the blended graph here. So it just makes a nice kind of simple way to display these results onto a projected screen without having to click on a poll to see the results, then go back to the page, click on the new poll to see the results, etc. You can very smoothly transition between the polling results in order, whatever order you want, and project those to your audience.